Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your serial number for AirPort device by Apple on our IMEI website. So let's enter the website. I have it copied, so I'm just gonna press pass. It's this link right here, it should be in the description below. It's IMEI.Info -Apple SN check. So now let's enter this website. From here, let's scroll down a bit and you'll see Apple serial number. Click that you're actually the human, and you will need to do this captcha like this. So I'm verified. Now in order to locate the serial number on our device, we need to actually get the flashlight on our other phone. You can do it without flashlight if you want, but it's much easier. Now we'll need to lift our AirPort device, and if we look very carefully, it should be located at the bottom of the device, like right here's the logo and here's the serial number. So now that we have this established, let's move our phone right here and try entering it. So this one is C86 and H 50 RF J1R. Now let's press check, and here we'll be able to see the device information. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.